Utah has some of the best bars and restaurants in the West. Thousands of tourists and locals come here to Park City and to Salt Lake to visit with friends, have a good time, and create some great memories. Unfortunately, some of those fun nights end with somebody being charged with a DUI. In 16 years of practicing in DUI criminal law, I've come to realize that DUI is a crime that nobody intentionally sets out to commit. It's usually a series of unexpected events that cause a person to drive when they weren't expecting to drive, or they find themselves in a situation where they drink more than they had anticipated. The biggest thing I want people to know that are charged with DUI is that you have options. DUI defense involves a critical analysis of all of the state's evidence, including the reason you were stopped, the basis for which the officer asked you out of the car, and the field sobriety tests, which are subjectively interpreted by the arresting officer. The compliance of many state regulations for a valid chemical breath or blood test, the chain of custody, and ensuring that all the instruments that the state uses are properly calibrated. If there's just one thing in that chain of evidence that's missing, damaged, or violated, your case can become weakened to the point that a court or the prosecutors themselves may dismiss your charge. So, just because you've been arrested, never think that you should just go and plead guilty at your first hearing. At Bangader Law Firm, we know that you didn't expect to find yourself in this situation. And we also know that you have options. The best way through this situation is to carefully and thoroughly analyze all of the state's evidence. And by doing so, we can give you the best chance at success in your case.